Well, hello guys. My name is Chester and I teach English as a second language. Welcome to my channel. I would love to teach you. So watch the videos to the end for as many times as you need to. And if you find them helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to get more videos like this. We're gonna start off with the alphabet, A to Z and the sounds. Yeah, so let's get into it right now. We're gonna start with A. A, B, B, C, C. Then we have D, D. So now we have letters A, B, C, and D. Now let's hear what they sound like. Let's begin with letter A. A, A, B, B, K, K, D, D, like dog. Very good. Now let's hear what they sound like in words. We are going to start with the letter D. D, D, da, da, dad, dad. The word is dad. And very good again. Okay, now let's put the letter B with an A. Ba, ba. Let's add a D. Bad, bad. The word is bad. Well, see, it wasn't that hard, was it? Now, remember, you can go back and watch the video again and listen and repeat. But now we are ready for 4 new letters. The first one is E. E. F. F. G. G. H. H. Now we're going to hear what they sound like. And we are going to start with E. 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 G. G. Beautiful. These are the sounds. Now we're going to listen to them in words with letters we had from before. Let us put the letter E with a G. E, G, E, G. Let's add another G. Egg, egg. The word is egg. Yes, egg. Now we're going to look at 4 new letters. The first one is I. I. Then we have J. J. K. K. L. L. Now we're going to listen to the songs. Let us start with the I. The song of the I is E. E. Ch. Ch. K. K. L. L. These are the songs. Now we're going to put them with letters we had from before. Let's start with the L. 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 Let's add an E. E. Le. Le. Let's add a G. Leg. 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 The word is leg. That was good. So far we have already covered A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Good work, guys. Remember, you can go back and watch the video again and repeat. But now, let's do 4 more letters. We're going to start with the M. M. N. N. O. O. P. P. Good. Now let's listen to them, beginning with the M. 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 N. This one is a little through your nose. N. O. O. P. 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 Beautiful. Now let's hear them in words. Let's have the M. 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 Let's add an O. M. M. Let's add an M. Mom. Mom. The word is mom. Let's now have a look at N and A. Na. Na. Let's add a P. Nap. Nap. The word is nap. Very good. Now let us learn 4 new letters. Are you ready? Q. Q. R. R. S. S. T. T. Very good. Now let's listen to the sound. Coo. Coo. Roo. Roo. S. S. T. T. Now we're going to hear them in words. And we are going to start with S. 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 Let's add an I. C. C. Let's add a T. Sit. Sit. The word is sit. Well, we have just 6 letters left. Are you ready? Let's go. U. U. V. V. W. W. X. X. Very good. Now let's listen to the sound. O. O, like up. V. V. Woo. Woo. X. X. These are the sounds. And now let us hear them in words. Let us start with the W. Woo. Woo. Let's add an A. Wah. 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 Let's add an X. Wax. Wax. And that was good. And now we have just 2 letters left. They are Y and Z, Z. Let's hear them. Y, 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 like yes. And Z, Z, as in zoo. Well, the Q is always with a U. So let's hear that. Ku, ku. Let's add an I. Kui, kui. Let's add a Z. Quiz, quiz. The word is quiz. Now let's listen to the S again. S, S. Let's add an I. C, C. Let's add an X. Six, six. The word is six. That was good. That's it for this video. Don't forget to join me for the next and the next and the next. And please like, subscribe. See you for the next video.